Hello Emil, hello Carol. I just wanted to run over the numbers with you. I could write it all out on the screen, but it's a little bit easier to show you than to write it all out. This is a quote based on the blue QX60. We do have somebody coming in later today on that same vehicle, the gentleman you saw yesterday, so I want to get this out to you right away so you can see these numbers. Here's what I've got for you, and I'm just going to go off the screen here for a moment. So this is on, this is your trade-ins. First one I have is the Nissan Altima. So on the Nissan Altima, we looked at some examples out there of similar Altimas, 2008s. And based on your kilometers, it being 106, 161, we're going to put the vehicle on the lot for $10,900. Our dead cost on it's going to end up being $8,500, so we're going to sell it somewhere in between there, leaving room for negotiation. And if the vehicle stays on the lot for more than 30 days, we're going to have to discount it as well. Our in-house costs, which is something most dealers won't show you, but I will, is that you have three different things here. You've got detailing, which is getting the car all up to snuff for resale, which is right here. You've got cosmetic improvement for any scuffs or scrapes or anything like that we got to look after. And then last but not least, we have a safety that we have to do by law before we resell the vehicle. We've also given you a credit of $200. That's because you had some undercoating done on the vehicle, so it gives you a credit, which gets it down to $7,800 for your trade. But with your tax savings, it equals $87.36, which is quite good because our cost on the vehicle is $85. So again, you've got your tax savings as well. And so that's on the trade on the Altima. I was going to show you a couple things here, some other examples of Altimas like yours. Here's an SL. This one's got 61,000 kilometers on it. It's $9,500. Using that as an example, as well as Black Book and some other examples as well. Also, here's another one. This one's got, where is it? 98,000 kilometers, and that one's 11.5. So they are a little bit all over the place. They're all 8s as well. Next one is on the Hyundai. Weren't familiar with the Azera. I guess it was something that was in Canada for a little while, but then they took it away. It is a US unit. We checked with our Hyundai store in Penticton to see where we should be on this one. So they gave us some numbers on that as well. And thank you very much for your photos on that. So here's the numbers as they show. MSRP on the Infiniti is $56,980. We've got it on now for $48,150 minus the Altima gets you down to $40,350 minus $8,000 for the Hyundai gets you down to $32,360. The grand total, if you take out both trades and the discount off the vehicle, you'd be looking at a total of $32,350 for the Infiniti. Now, just to put that in perspective, just let you know what kind of deal you're getting. Right now, if you were to look at the $56,980, if you were in a month and a half ago, with no trades, if you were just coming in as a regular customer, you'd be paying luxury tax on that number. And then if you go $56,980 times tax, you'd be looking somewhere around $65,000. So even with your trades, you'd be down around $50,000, give or take. And so good deal at $32,600, and with your total price on there, with your total taxes, the whole 9 yards, you are at $36,818. I apologize. I'm trying to look through the camera. It's giving me a bit of a problem here. So $32,350 is your selling price with taxes, $36,818. If you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully this was a little bit easier than putting it all down and typing it all in. I'm going to scan this document right here for you, so it'll be attached to the email as well. Thank you very much, Emil. Thank you, Carol. We'll talk to you soon.